Welcome to my favorite local clothing shop. I usually do my seasonal shopping as the new season approaches, and people in the US say the best time to go shopping is on Black Friday, which takes place after Thanksgiving in the US. On that day, you'll surely find great deals, and most likely you will find something that will go with your existing wardrobe. So, whenever I go to my favorite shop, I always look for clothes which are form-fitting, comfortable for me. And to make sure I understand what's good for me, I always try them on in the fitting room, right? So trying them on means putting on the jacket, the shirt, whatever the case may be. Grabbing the zipper, zipping it up, making sure it's not too tight, not too baggy, right? It's got buttons. You got to button it up as well. When that's all said and done, make sure to take off the items that you've tried on in order to avoid running into problems with security on your way out of the shop.